Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot in Windows 11. Ladies and gentlemen, taking a screenshot on your Windows 11 system is really easy. Actually will work for Windows 10 as well. So what you're going to do is hold in the Windows key and relatively to the top of your keyboard on the right hand side, it should be above your numpad, you will see a PRT SC. This is print screen. Now you'll see it'll go dark and light again. That is me taking a screenshot. Now, where will you find your screenshots? Now, if I go in here to Documents and I go to Gallery, I'll be able to find my screenshot right over here. Now, if you right click on it, you'll be able to look for its file location. So say Open File Location, and here is where it's kept. It's in username, pictures, and screenshots. One of the other nice things that you can do is if you are perhaps maybe sending an email, or if you are maybe sending it over WhatsApp on your computer, you can actually just use your clipboard. And this is automatically saved in your clipboard. So you go use the Windows key, hold it down and tap on V. You'll be able to see that your screenshot is actually in your clipboard, and you can paste it pretty much anywhere you would like to paste it. So it's already been kept there. Now, if you want just a fraction of your screen, you're going to go and use the Windows key. You're going to hold in Shift and you're going to tap on S. And what it'll do is it'll bring up that snipping tool, right? So here you can copy text from anywhere on your screen, and you can pretty much grab anything. So you can click down and drag, it'll take a section of your screen. So if I want to just screenshot the front of this GT2RS, there we go. Same thing, you're going to go Windows and the V, and that'll bring up your clipboard, and you'll see that this image that I just clipped is inside here. So now it's available for immediate access, as well as being available up over here in screenshots.